demo day 2. A little hot, a little steamy. Suddenly it's summer. It was like 58 yesterday. Today it's 80 something with, of course, 80% humidity, and makes it super warm in the bus. But we got this great high-tech fan setup. This is Mella.
This is Don.
And we're sharing our experience as we reinvent our habitat. Finishing up demo day 2, and it's pouring rain outside. And we had to close the emergency exit vents in the top.
Yeah, but the rain started coming in hard and even through the side windows. And now it's really dark and we can't open the windows, so we're gonna call it a night.
It's not dark outside, but it's dark in here because of the window tinting. And I loved the window tinting when we were traveling across the country. Being able to change our clothes in the middle of the bus and nobody could see in. But I'm thinking now we really need to make sure we've got bright light overheads for when we do our installs for the ceiling. We made some good progress. We got all of the junk from the passenger side bin down.
Passenger side? What side's the passenger side in a bus?
I guess the non-driver's side. We got everything out of the first bin.
Yeah, I got it cleaned up, sweeped up.
One of the things they don't teach you at bus building school is every time you're done with a tool to put it away so you don't go crazy trying to figure out where you left it when you were finished it the last time.
Compartments on the driver's side is prepped and ready to come down tomorrow. And hopefully it'll go smoother this time because we figured out what needs to happen before it comes down.
One of the main reasons I wanted to get these wires dealt with here is you can see they're coming in right in here, and this is fiberglass. So I wanted to section them off so nothing is attached, so that when we take this bin and it comes down, it doesn't tear a hole in the ceiling like it did last time. Now I'm gonna cut the red wire. Anything else you want to say?
No.
We're old pros at stripping it, getting the aluminum apart. We're gonna have a ton of aluminum